Hi, my name is Kate Halligan, and this is Module 3 about how we should measure gender equality, and everything like that. First up, I just want to say that I am totally supportive of people identifying however they want. If they were born a male but they feel like they want to be a female, that's how they associate with themselves, that's fine. But for me, watching the videos of the runner and the soccer player and the basketball player, like, as a female, I worked my butt off to become a college athlete. I worked my butt off to run an Ironman. I have hiked Machu Picchu. I have done multiple athletic things in my life, and I don't think it's fair if someone who was born a male and has the Y chromosome then races or plays soccer or anything like that with female. I understand that they're associating themselves with a female, and that's totally acceptable, and I understand that, but it's not fair to the women that have worked their butts off to be at the top of the top, and then they get blown away because someone changed from male to female. I understand this is a very sensitive topic and it's something to be discussed over and over again, but I don't really understand how people expect this to get any easier, and I think the hardest thing with people is hurting people's feelings, and that just needs to be ignored. Like, they're choosing, they feel like they need to be the opposite sex, that's fine. But I do believe that there needs to be a cut, dry plan when it comes to this. It can't be case by case. It needs to be a set guideline so that when this does occur, they know what to do with it. When I took that test, I did not like that test. I do not think that's a great representation of how you would identify yourself. I scored for feminine 3.6, masculine 5.9, and neutral 4.35. I'm not mad that I was more masculine. I understand that. I'm not a girly girl. I don't like theatrics. I don't cry that often. I play sports. I work hard. Pretty straightforward person. A good leader. But being athletic shouldn't be defined as a man being athletic. That's just ridiculous. And as soon as you click that just gave you more points of being masculine. So, and my point is that mean that people think that women can't be athletic, they can't work out just as hard as men do? Just because we're not at the same level doesn't mean we're not trying, doesn't mean that we're less girly if we work out. The track video, I believe that she should be racing with guys. It's totally okay that she is a female now, but her hormones, her genetics, she's genetically already going to be so much faster than the women that were born female than her. Like, she's blowing away everyone because she has, as we all know, men are faster, stronger, everything like that, and that's fine, but she should still race with men. I know she associates as a woman, but that's not how she was born. I think the main issue is people focus on what they associate with, and I don't think that's how we should do that. I think it should be based on what you were born with, your genetic qualities, and things like that. I definitely don't think that there is an easy way of going about this. I think that people have a very strong opinion on this, and I try and keep very neutral, but I do believe that if you were born a male, you should race or do sports. as a male, even if you associate yourself as a female, and the same for females. Like, I definitely have I play co-ed soccer 3 times a week, and they're stronger than me, but I work my butt off to make sure that they don't get by me. So I think that they should just keep it cut and dry, male with male and female with female, no matter what you associate yourself with. And that is it. I think that we should measure gender based on how we were born, not what we now associate with ourselves. Just because you got a pair of fake boobs doesn't mean you're born a female. You should do what you were born with, and that's how you should race. I know that people might not think that's fair, but I think that's the easiest way to keep everything cut and dry, and make sure that, everyone's going to be upset either way, but I feel like that keeps the people that are at those high levels competitive with the people that they're supposed to be competitive with. Those people work time and time again just to make sure that they can get to the next level. And so if there's someone that is genetically already going to be faster than them, that's not really that fair.